What's up guys? For today's video I'm going to put to the test firewood holder gadget. This is really easy 2x4. You buy one of those in the tool store so you can pick up all your firewood off the ground like this one from the last year. The bottom layer I didn't have any 2x4s actually starting to rot out. It's pretty bad, so such a big waste. Versus this one, see, I have put 2x4s under and the bottom layer actually looks really good, all of them. But you'll have to stack up this awkward like special thing, and it's kind of takes a bit of time and you have to worry about, so that way it doesn't slide. You have to be making it perfectly. If you only have a little bit of firewood, you can get yourself this little gadget and couple of 2x4s, stick them together and stack it all together, and that way you don't have to worry about sliding it over or falling on the ground, all your firewood, and getting that out. So all you need is a couple 2x4s and just stick them on one side right here and on the other side right here. Stick them through, give yourself a little bit of space, I don't know, like 10-15 inches. Same thing on this side. Very nice. And one more 2x4 more, cut it up and stick it like that. Or you can have them really long too. Also, if you don't want it to be that tall, you can cut it in half, one of the 2x4s. So that's about half. These things are amazing, just like chainsaw. And boom, stick it in here. Look at that, perfect half almost, but I'm not worried about that. Just this extra 2x4s that I have anyways. Nice. Now I have a really nice wood holder. I only had one newer 2x4 and one older one, but you know what, after a while they will all look like pretty old. There you go. And now I'm gonna put it somewhere flat. And look at that, I had here quite a few nice firewood pieces just sunk into the dirt and just rotting away and making a mess, creating lots of bugs. So what I'm gonna do is dig it and clear it out. Also, whenever it gets really cold, all that, it just gets frozen into the ground anyways, and I cannot use it in the winter time. So look at that. Because it holds all the moisture, because it's on the ground, and just freezes to the ground. So I'm gonna clean it. I'll put this wood holder right in here. Might even level it a little bit. Look at that, nice piece of log right here, but it's completely rotted out. I'll never be able to use it anymore. Another example right here, super moist firewood right here and pretty much useless. Maybe I'll dry it out and burn it in a bonfire because it's not as good firewood anymore for the house. And because it sits on the ground, look at all that moisture, even though the layer over here, not even the first layer on the ground, it's still moist. Look at that, creating so many bugs. I wouldn't want to take that firewood in the house anyway. Look at that, so moist in there. So we're gonna dry it out and lift it up just like this one, just a little bit off the ground, and still a lot better already. But this firewood holder, because the 2x4 sits sideways like that, will be even higher. So that way, no moisture problem at all. Probably will move it away a little bit more of the wall, so that way the air can go through easily. So don't do the same mistake and get lazy and don't put it just on the ground, all that firewood, because it's going to get all wet and wasted. Look at these beautiful logs too. There you go, much better. That's my leftover firewood. I'm gonna just clean it up. But you know what, this gadget is pretty cool. Maybe next time I will get even longer 2x4, so that way once I'm going to go cut firewood again, I can really stack it up and put tarp on top of it, so that way the firewood stay dry just like this one. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this gadget. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.